Talking about working out, you may need to use this application, and I'm pretty much going to show you how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. You pretty much need a home screen, and once you have entered the information correctly, once you first open the application, that is crucial for you to get the best results with this application. So here at the top, it will pretty much be your plan that they have created for you based on your information. You can always tap on start and pretty much start the exercise process and pretty much complete your first day. So that's pretty much it for that. There also you have different challenges which you can do as well, as you can see here. If you want to see all the challenges, you can tap on view all, and all you have to do is pretty much tap on and join here or join, and you're pretty much good to go. And once you want to start it, you just tap on let's go. So that's pretty much it for that there, and you can scroll down and see some other workout exercises which you can do as well as it relates to pain or relief or whatever cases. Also, not just that, you can also work out your abs, your full body workout, your arm, whatever cases you guys want to work out. Down here you have the most used or the most loved by users option. Here you can tap on all to see all of them, and if you want to go ahead and try out these exercises, you can always go ahead. So down here you may see a discover option. You can see all exercises which you can do as well. Let's say a morning routine workout, a full body stretch. All you have to do, guys, is just search the application, scroll down the app, pretty much almost all workouts for the ladies. So all you have to do, just scroll and look for what you want. Down here you can see your progress and how consistent you are as it relates to your exercising using this application. On the calendar, it will pretty much show you if you have exercised, for how long, and also if your calories going down or the cases. But do make sure you enter the information. Do make sure you enter the information for the calories so it can be tracked. And over here in the me section, you can also go in the my music section to add your music while doing the workout. Here you can also track your weight and also your bones. Go over this section here. So that's pretty much it for that there. At the top you can tap on Go Premium. That's pretty much where you go to get your premium subscriptions. You can see the prices and your subscription price. So that's pretty much it. If I missed anything at all, comment below. See you in the next one.